Good afternoon, I'm Ansandan and I'm here to showcase you the sample for Beverly Golf Avenue, Sector 65, Mohali. So here we are at the left lobby where we are offering 2 lifts at every tower and only 2 apartments. So that's one of the luxury we are promoting. Let's go and see the sample. This is a category called Maxima, 2652 square foot. 3 BHK plus servant. Right at the entrance you are at the foyer. With foyer you have a entry to a bedroom. We tag this bedroom as a guest bedroom. 11 by 14 is the dimension for the room. Back 6 feet wide balcony facing towards golf. As it is sample, so we will be able to see the actual construction at the site as well. 5 by 8 washroom. Beautifully designed with the Duraware, Grohe and cabinets. So we'll be using equivalent blanks. Let's go towards the living. After the guest bedroom, entering direct from the foyer to the living. Beautifully designed 14 by 17 living area. Exactly it is 13.8 by 17. Connected to a balcony. This is the main balcony which would be facing golf and chandigarh. After the living room, we will be entering to the master bedroom. (11.6 by 17 is the size for this room. Beautifully designed with the laminated wooden flooring. Spacious room. You have your sitting area, your study, and connected to a washroom which has a running closets. Beautifully designed slider closets. And again washroom. With the bathtub you have your shower cabinet, looking mirror, Duraware and Grohe, the fittings we have used for it. And after master bedroom, we come to the luxurious area, dining come a family lobby. Puja area design. So this is family lobby connected to a kitchen. Kitchen is beautifully designed. 8.6 by 14 in a size, modular kitchen. Soft closets. Same goes with your drainage board. As it's a pattern kitchen, so the ventilation and natural light is as a USP of this category. kitchen, has your washing area along with it, and gives you access to a servant room internally. Servant room has a separate entry from outside. We'll go and see from the left lobby, and this is the connectivity to the apartment. And here we go to the last bedroom of the category. We tag this category room as a kids bedroom. 11 by 13, connected to a balcony again. 11 by 6 is the balcony area for this. In actual, this balcony would be facing Mohali. So as a USP, this category is a dual view apartment where you get Chandigarh as well as a Mohali facing view. One side you will be facing Shivalik Hill and another side the skyline is clear for you. And here we go back to your living room dining. There's a washroom attached to it. This washroom can be used as your common powder washroom as well. All the washrooms are designed to be a spacious washrooms connected to your rooms. And the best USP, all the rooms are separately designed, separately placed. None of the room is sharing the wall, so that you have a privacy not to be hampered. Here we go back to the left lobby where we can see the servant entry. So right from the left lobby you have an entry to a servant room. Nicely designed single bedroom attached to a small bath. And it is going to be connected again to your washing area, which is connected to your kitchen. Thanks for your precious time on seeing this video. We request you to please come and visit the site so that we can show you the sample physically, and even we have our structure ready for the actual construction also, so kindly visit. Thank you for your precious time.